Welcome, fellow travel enthusiasts. Today, we're taking you on an exciting journey to the enchanting city of Turin, Italy. Known for its rich history, mouth-watering cuisine, and stunning architecture, Turin is a must-visit destination for travelers of all ages. But guess what? We're here to show you that Turin is not just for the older crowd. It's time for the young and adventurous to experience the magic of this city too. Our first stop is the Centro Storico, the beating heart of Turin. Get ready to be transported back in time as we wander through the narrow cobblestone streets, lined with charming cafes and boutique shops. The Piazza Castello is a sight to behold, with its magnificent royal palace and the iconic Mole Antonelliana, a symbol of Turin's architectural prowess. Don't miss the Egyptian Museum, home to the most important collection of Egyptian artifacts outside of Cairo. Marvel at the intricately decorated sarcophagi, statues of pharaohs, and the enigmatic Book of the Dead. History buffs can also explore the National Museum of the Italian Risorgimento to dive into Italy's unification. All that history and culture is sure to work up an appetite. Luckily, the Centro Storico is full of quaint cafes and bakeries to refuel at. Add in a slice of soft mushroom cake and you have the perfect recharge. Shopaholics, listen up. The Centro Storico is shopping central with so many cute boutiques selling fashion, leather goods, accessories, and more. Find the latest Italian shoe trends at Luigi Vercelli, chic handbags at Sergio Gazzi, and unique jewelry pieces at Carlo Barberis and Figli. Don't miss the chance to browse one-of-a-kind antique shops too. Who knows what hidden treasures you might uncover? Next up, we're diving into the vibrant energy of Quadrilatero Romano. This neighborhood is a hub of creativity and culture, with its colorful street art and bustling local markets. Grab a gelato from one of the many gelaterias and get lost in the maze-like streets. You never know what hidden gems you might stumble upon. Street art fans should check out the Marazzi del Pa, the arcades along the river, which have been transformed into an outdoor art gallery with incredible graffiti and murals. On Saturdays, the surroundings of Porta Palazzo come alive with the sprawling Ballon flea market. With over 500 stalls peddling everything from antiques and vintage clothes to housewares and crafts, this eclectic market is a vintage hunter's paradise. Haggle with the stall owners for the best deals and unearth some true second-hand treasures. All of that shopping is sure to make you hungry again. Grab a hearty panini sandwich stuffed with mouth-watering Italian meats and cheeses right from the street carts. Pair it with a glass of local Piedmont wine from one of the enotecas for a movable feast. Now, let's head to San Salvario, a neighborhood that oozes bohemian charm. This is the place to be for all the hipsters and trendsetters out there. Immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere as you explore the quirky boutiques, street art galleries, and funky bars. Make sure to check out the Lavazza Coffee headquarters. Marvel at the futuristic architecture before sampling espressos at their trendy on-site cafe. When night falls, San Salvario comes alive with crowds filling the beer gardens, cool cocktail bars, and live music venues. Sip on craft brews at the hip Birrificio San Michele while enjoying the laid-back vibe. Or check out the events calendar at Hiroshima Mon Amour, an iconic club hosting indie bands and DJ nights that go into the wee hours. If you're a fan of unique experiences, you can't miss Lingato. Once a Fiat factory, this industrial complex has been transformed into a modern marvel. Take the panoramic glass elevator to the roof to admire the city views. Check out the ultra-contemporary architectures, avant-garde art installations, and the world-class shopping at the Italy Food Emporium. Adrenaline junkies can even go indoor karting at the Pista 500. After all that action, relax in style with a stay at the iconic Lingato building. Ascend to the futuristic NH Hotel, built right on the former test track. Gaze out of the sloped windows for stunning city vistas. Then pamper yourself with a treatment at the sleek spa and saltwater pool. It's the ultimate urban oasis. Last but not least, we're making our way to Porta Nuova, Turin's modern face. This area showcases the city's architectural prowess with its stunning skyscrapers, like the Unicredit Tower and the Intesa San Paolo Tower. Take a stroll through the sleek streets, grab a coffee at a trendy cafe, and soak in the urban vibes. Cap off the night with dinner and drinks at Italy's rooftop restaurant, lost in the dazzling sea of skyscrapers. Feast on delicious Piedmontese cuisine made from locally sourced ingredients. Toast your epic adventures in Turin with a glass of Barolo wine and watch the sunset over the Alps. Now that's what I call a picture-perfect ending. Turin is not just for the older crowd, it's a city that offers something for everyone. Whether you're exploring the historic center, immersing yourself in the bohemian vibes of San Salvario, or marveling at the modern architecture of Porta Nuova, Turin will leave you spellbound. So, pack your bags, gather your friends, and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime in this captivating city. Until next time, happy travels.